So at the very end of the session, we did a turn and talk about different questions that they found in the text. So they would turn to a partner and talk about a question that I asked. They did use that vocab that they previously used in the story, so those flashcards and the teacher talk in the story really helped. They could use the ocean.
How
Very
about we do
interesting.
let's think about
that? Yeah, good. Are you ready for the first question?
Yeah.
What question would you like to ask Maui? So if you met Maui here, what question would you like to ask him? If you had one question asked to Maui, what would it be? But you have to say, I would like to ask Maui.
I would like to ask Maui, what's magical about your hook?
What a great question. What is magical about your hook? Fantastic, Yovan. Can you turn to a partner and tell them, what would you do? And then we did a writing task, so things like changing the ending to the story, which was great because they continued to use that vocab in their story. What we're going to do is we're going to do some writing about Maui's greatest catch. But we're not going to write what happened in the story, we're going to create our own ending, okay? Yovan, can you read your ending to the group?
He could be taken away by a octopus to the shore
Oh, to the shore. You used one of our special words in our book. Good.
and shot ink in his face.
Is that a good ending?
Yeah.
What's happened to him? He got ink in his face, but at least he got to the
Sure.
Good.